Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today I'm doing a vlog to the pool. I might make this in more than 2 parts. Woo! Wow. We will be driving in the car. Woo! 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 We'll be driving in the car. Woo! 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 We'll be driving in the car. Woo! 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 We'll be driving in the car. I am this.
Quiet,
Miles, calm down, dude.
chill.
Calm down.
Chill.
About to go to an indoor pool. And vlogging. And I'm vlogging. Yep.
I can hear you outside.
Woo! Yeah, I'm about to go outside. Hey, don't kick the tablet. Ow!
Ow.
Everyone shots away. So you guys will be like,
I'm still trying to get my shoes on.
Calm down. You need coats and stuff on. It's cold out.
my coat's at school. Because I don't need that anymore.
You need something to have on.
Dad, can you help me untie these?
No, I gotta get dressed myself, bud. Okay? Charlie, turn that back on. I did not. I didn't do it. You see him in here trying to find me. Charlie.
It's a great way to shake up your day. Chuckle Ball is a proud sponsor of Disney Junior. Batteries not included.
Guys, are you guys still there? I don't know how to tie my shoes.